Hello everybody, this is Jeff at etrailer.com. Today we're going to take a look at this TecNiq 11.5 inch long premium slim weatherproof white LED boat strip light in the black aluminum housing, and this one is a 2-wire design. Now this is a nice low profile LED strip light that'll produce a nice bright white light for marine applications like on your pontoon or your speedboats. And this is a premium design, which means it has twice as many diodes as the standard version for increased light output. Now at the end of this video I am going to connect this light to some 12-volt power to show you how bright the light is, but I first want to go over some of its features. It does use a black aluminum housing, has sealed end caps on it, so it makes it a nice weatherproof casing which will protect the LEDs against dirt, dust, and water. They do use military-grade construction on the circuit board, which means they use urethane potting, which is better protection than the common epoxy potting. And the LEDs are premium LEDs, which are energy efficient, long-lasting, and vibration resistant. They are rated for up to 50,000 hours of operation, and as you can see, it is a clear lens over 12 white LEDs. This is compatible with 12-volt DC systems, and I mentioned this is a 2-wire design, and when I mention that, what it is if you notice on each end they have 2 wires coming out, and the reason they do that, it'll allow this light to be linked continuously between 2 other lights for an extended length of light. This does hardwire to your application. As you can see, there's 2 wires on each end. One's a power, one's a ground, and they give you wire lengths on each end of about 9 inches. Now to install this light strip, it'll easily mount using snap-on clips, which we do sell separately on our website, and we do list them on this product page as a related product. And they offer 3 different styles. They use 3 different mounting angles, and I happen to pull one of each just to show you how they mount. But basically we'll start with the parallel or the flat mount. You can see it has the mounting hole right there, so when you mount it down, it mounts just like that, gives you a flat application. So you can just pop your light into place and it'll hold it flat just like that. Now the other one is a 45-degree mount. So again, you can see the mounting hole. So when you screw it down, you can see it holds it at a 45-degree angle, which means that if you pop in your light, just like that, and it's mounted, you can see it holds it at a 45-degree angle. And the last one would be a perpendicular mount or a 90-degree mount. You can see there's the mounting hole. So when you mount it, it'll hold it 90 degrees. And again, the same way. Clip that in place, and you can see with it mounted, holds it 90 degrees that way, or 90 degrees that way. Now on this size of strip, this one's 11.5 inches long, they do recommend 4 mounting clips per strip. And when you do order those clips, they come as a quantity of 2 for one order. A few dimensions on this again. The length of the strip is 11.5 inches. Width is 1/2 inch, thickness 1/4 inch. Light output on this one is 600 lumens, and the input voltage is 9 volts to 14 volts. So again, what I'm going to do here is we're going to hook this up to some 12-volt power. So we get it attached. I'll go ahead and turn on the power. And then with it attached there, you can see all 12 LEDs lit up. Turn off our overhead lights, and you can see how bright a light it is. I'm even going to zoom out just to show you from a distance how much light it gives off. Pretty wide area. Zoom back in. Turn back on our overhead lights, and we'll turn off our power. But that should do it for the review on this TecNiq 11.5 inch long premium slim weatherproof white LED boat strip light in the black aluminum housing.